5 fun-smelling plants for kids. That's Jack, our official smeller. Trust me, this is something they're going to want to share with their friends. First up is Melianthus major or honey bush. Jack, what does it smell like?
Peanut butter.
This is a great container plant with beautiful burgundy flowers that smell like honey, so you can have peanut butter and honey. And here we have
Nom 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 nom. Bubblegum.
Wintergreen, Gaultheria procumbens, a great ground cover. And in winter planters, we have these beautiful red berries that are there just in time for Christmas. Next, we have Salvia elegens. Jack, tell me what it smells like.
Pineapple. Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy. This is a great herb. It has edible red flowers and the foliage for salads and cocktails. Give that a roll and tell me what it smells like, Jack.
Lemon.
Wilma cypress is great for containers by the front door or even in the ground. Keeps its bright yellow all year round. Last but not least is Chameleon Plant, and Jack is going to tell us exactly what it smells like.
Orange.
This is a great hardy perennial you can grow in the pond, and it can also be used in Thai food because it's called fish mint.